Hello everyone, I'm Parinath.
I'm Inchara.
And I'm Monisha. We are here to introduce Spiral Maze, a unique initiative combining traditional Indian art with tactile learning to empower visually impaired individuals.
In India, the lack of accessible tactile learning tools limits the development of spatial intelligence for the visually impaired. Spatial intelligence is essential for navigation, orientation, and independence. For visually impaired students, tactile learning bridges this gap. That's where Spiral Maze comes in. Inspired by India's traditional Lippan art, a centuries old craft from Gujarat, created by molding clay mixed with camel dung into intricate designs on mud walls. Artisans then decorate these patterns with small mirrors and natural colors, resulting in highly textured and visually dynamic artwork. We've created tactile puzzles that are educational and culturally meaningful. These puzzles use textures, symmetry, and geometry to foster spatial intelligence while connecting individuals to India's rich artistic heritage.
Our research at the Government School for the Visually Impaired in Mysore highlighted the needs of teachers and students. Teachers emphasized the importance of texture variety and moderate complexity in puzzles. Students enjoyed solving tactile puzzles, preferring simple or slightly challenging designs with smooth and bumpy textures. These insights shaped the design of the spiral maze.
Spiral Maze offers an engaging and educational experience. Players use their sense of touch to arrange 9 tiles into symmetrical patterns based on a reference design. Throughout this activity, they develop spatial awareness, memory, and fine motor skills, all while experiencing the beauty of traditional Lippan art. This project is more than a puzzle. It is a tool for empowerment. It fosters independence, self-confidence, and connection to cultural heritage for the visually impaired people. By blending education with tradition, Spiral Maze redefines inclusive learning.
Join us in bringing Spiral Maze to life. Together, we can create accessible, meaningful tools that empower visually impaired individuals and celebrate India's heritage. Thank you for supporting Spiral Maze.